It's Music City Sings at 6, and here's a song that I think everyone in Nashville agrees with today. Written by Allan Roberts and Doris Fisher in 1944 and made a hit by the Ink Spots featuring Bill Kenney and Ella Fitzgerald. Into each life some rain must fall, but too much is falling in mine. Into each heart some tears must fall, but someday the sun will shine. Some folks can lose the blues in their hearts, but when I think of you, another shower starts. Into each life some rain must fall, but too much is falling in mine. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow wrote the first line of that song for his poem, Rainy Day. Go out, put up your umbrella, sing for your neighbors. Bye.